What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Pixel Science WorldEdit series. This is episode 2 of our WorldEdit series that we are currently doing. I am W Back Down, just a guest on the channel at the moment. Nice to see you again. If you saw our first episode, that was all about how to install how to get your own server, how to install WorldEdit as a plugin through the back end of that server as a bucket plugin on a paper server. Today we're going to be covering how to install WorldEdit as a mod if you don't have a server and you just want to play around with WorldEdit on a single player world. So let's get started with that. So I'm just going to write up a little list here. How to get WorldEdit as a mod. If you just follow along, I won't go too quickly because a lot of the time these YouTube tutorials, they can get a little too quick and then it's hard to know where you're at. So I'm just going to go fairly slowly. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to be getting Java Edition. If you don't have Java Edition, you need to go ahead and get that and install it on your machine. And then we're going to be running this on a single player world, just so that you can see the easiest way to do that. Now, if you install a mod, the mod is actually going to be installed on your machine. That is the difference between a plugin and a mod. A plugin is attached to, say, a third-party server on the back end, and you can do a lot of different things with plugins. You can do a lot of different things with mods. We have a Pixel Science server that we use, and for that particular server we went with a plugin, because what that means is the load is placed on the server and our computer is not slowed down by running lots of mods. At least I think that's how it works. So if you're running mods, just remember it's Forge. You need a Forge type installation. Now, if you do not have a Forge type installation, your entire thing will not work. So that's the first thing we need to do. So we have Java Edition installed on our computer, and we're going to go ahead and search up how to download Forge. Now, you're going to download this and you're going to install this onto your computer. Let's see. So I'm going to put that into the link there. So I will post these links into the comments of the video. So let's do that. So let's go download the recommended version for Java version 1.18.2. Let's install that to our system. Okay. Now, what you might notice is that this comes up as a jar file and it doesn't know what that is. So if that happens to you, you need to install Java. If you're ever stuck on the internet, install Java to read.jar. This is a new computer we are using, so one second. Okay. So, going to install Java. And I'm letting you see this because when you're searching things on the internet, you'll often need to search things up and then follow through. You just need to be a little careful you're not clicking on the wrong link, if that makes sense. Java should be free. It's a free software for the computer. So if your computer doesn't have it, then you just need to install it. So now that I've done that, okay. Now that I've done that, just going to jump back into my downloads file and grab the Forge installer. So now it's loaded up. And if you ever have that happen to you where a screen comes up and says, we don't know what to do, it's because you don't have the right software to run the program that you downloaded. Always be very careful downloading things from the internet. Try to always get links from people who know what they're doing, because it's super duper easy when you're getting started to basically infect your entire computer with a virus. So be careful. So the correct place to download Forge for Minecraft is this link that I have posted here. The correct place to download Java is this link here. Okay, let's go ahead and install Forge on our computer. Now what this is doing is it's installing Forge into your Minecraft client. So you won't have Forge as an application somewhere on the computer. It's installing it inside Minecraft so that Minecraft can read Forge versions of Minecraft. Okay, great. That was pretty fast. If you run that on a slower computer, it will run a lot slower. I've got a gaming PC, so that went pretty fast. Okay, the next step you need to do is you need to install a new Forge. Well, let's not say install, let's say create, because that's the right word. Create a new Forge installation for Minecraft. Now let me explain what that is. If you go to your Minecraft window, most of the time you will just hit play because you've never thought about it. But over here on the latest, where it says latest release, this here is a drop-down menu. Now I have a couple of different options there. That is versions of Minecraft that you're going to choose to launch. So if you've ever watched a famous YouTuber playing Minecraft in an old version of Minecraft and you wanted to know how they did that, well, that's how they did it. They created an installation up here just next to the play tab, and they created a new installation of an old version of Minecraft. So you can do that. So what we are going to do, and I'll just go back so that you don't get lost. You're on the main screen. You're going to go up here where it says play, and you're going to go just to the right where it says installations, and you're going to click that. Now I have one installation here for my server. In the previous video you've seen that we play on Java Pixel server in version 1.18.1. If I wanted to play in a single player world, I could pick this one, but what we're going to do is make a new one. So let's go, new installation. Now we're going to search through the type until we find the version we are looking for. Now, I think you might be able to type. No, you can't. So I've got to search through here until I find Forge. Wow, that's super annoying. You know what? I think I might need to close Minecraft and open it again. Let's just see. I think that's the problem there. Okay, so I was right. So after you, let's just make a note there. Make that number 7, and this is number 8. So if you have Minecraft open, close it and reopen. Okay, and when you reopen, you don't actually need to create a new Forge installation. Your new should be there. So your new Forge installation should now be there. And there it is down there, Forge 1.18.2. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to hit play just to see if it works. It will give you this screen that says we don't guarantee that everything's going to work properly, because this is like, you're in open source territory now. So they're basically saying, be careful, if you get Forge, we can't control what mods you're going to go and get, and Microsoft is not going to, etc. Alright, so I'm not going to do that right now because we've got another step. So the next step we have to do is download WorldEdit. And this is where we're going to get it from. We are going to get WorldEdit from this link right here, curseforge.com, and I'm going to put that right there. Now on the right hand side where you see, so this is the website. This is a mod website, by the way, CurseForge. This is where you find a lot of mods. So on the right hand side you can see recent files, and the one that we want is Minecraft version 1.18, because if you remember, that's what matches our version. So what would happen if we downloaded Minecraft 1.17? It just won't work. You need to run the right mod for the right version. It's very important. And I think a lot of people get that wrong when they're starting out. So we're going to download Minecraft version 1.18. Okay. There we go. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. What you need to do is you need to place that folder, that file that I just downloaded. Where to go? This one here, this worldedit.jar that you just downloaded. You need to place that in the mods folder of your computer, but it's a little difficult to find where that is. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your computer allows you to see what's called hidden files. Hidden files and folders, okay? If your computer does not allow you to see hidden files and folders, you will not be able to even find the folder that I'm talking about, and I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to go to local disk, users, this is me, and you see that app data there? Well, one sec. Watch this. If you try to follow these steps and you try to go where I tell you to go, you literally will not find it. You'll be going crazy. You'll be like, what the heck? Okay, so let's write out the steps of where you need to go. First of all, you need to go to the Start menu. And then you need to go to the Control panel. And then you need to go to, I think it's called Appearance. And then, all right, let's do that just to check that pathway is right. Start panel. Then you need to go to, you can actually search. It's probably easier. Control panel. Control panel. All right, so let's just change that. Search, Control panel. That's what I usually do. Search, Control panel. Okay, there's the Control panel. We open it up. We have Appearance and Personalization. Appearance, Personalization. Okay. Then, in Appearance and Personalization, you are going to go to Show Hidden Files and Folders. It's right here. Show Hidden Files and Folders. So I know this seems like a lot of steps, but it really isn't that difficult. Show Hidden Files and Folders. And this is one of those little steps that people who use computers a lot understand, but when you're just getting started, it's very confusing. Show Hidden Files and Folders. Okay. that's going to bring up a new window called File Explorer Options. So what you need to look for is Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. It's down here in the middle. And you're going to click that and you're going to press Apply. So let me, a new window is called File Explorer Options. And then you're going to click Show Hidden Files. Uncheck Show Hidden Files. Or check Show Hidden Files. Okay. So what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to see things that the computer doesn't normally let people see in case they mess them up. So you can just press OK. You can get rid of the control panel. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look in this PC. That we also call that the C drive. So this PC, and then we're going to go to, I believe it is users. Let me find it. Yes. So you're going to go to local, this PC, local disk. That's the one. Whoops. One sec. This PC, and then local disk, which is the C drive, and then you're going to go to users. Now you need to find the user that the Minecraft app is installed on the computer. It might be under your username or it might be under another username depending on whose computer you're using. Locate the user that you're in right now, which is the user, and then you need to go to app data. All right, so let's do that. Local disk, users, app data. Now, if you missed the step about showing hidden files and folders, you will not be able to see this. Okay. Now you need to go to, I believe it's roaming. Yes, it is. So let's just go back and update that. Then you need to go to Minecraft. Okay, now we're in Minecraft. Perfect. Okay, great. Okay, so. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new, you can do that by clicking out here and going new folder. So let's do that, new folder, and then you can call it mods. I did it before, but you can do that. So new folder, mods. You're going to create a folder called mods, okay? So in here, roaming.minecraft, and then create a new folder called mods. Okay. All right. Perfect. Now that seems like a lot of work, but it's not actually that difficult. Now the next thing you're going to do is you are going to drag that mods folder you created to your taskbar. No, it's not going to let me. Really? Huh. I wonder if it's going to let me put app data. It's not. My gosh. Okay. Alright. Thought it might be easy, so you could just get back there quickly, but seems like it isn't. Pin to quick access. You could do that. You could pin it to quick access. You could pin it to the start. Let's do that. Let's pin it to the start so that when we open it up, it should be there somewhere. Okay. Anyway, the idea was just make it so that you can put that thing somewhere where you can get it. Otherwise, you might forget how to get back to it. Okay. We're going to put the mods file over here on the side of our screen, and we're going to open up our open a new file explorer, and we're going to go to Downloads, and we are going to get the WorldEdit mod that we downloaded, and we are going to drag it into the new mods folder that we created. So drag WorldEdit .jar file into the new mods folder. Now, if you want to get any other mods, you can do this exact same process. You can download the mod, making sure that it's downloaded from a safe place and you're not about to infect your whole computer, and then you can go ahead and drag it into the mods folder. So let's have a look at that. If we were to look at mods folder now, it has our WorldEdit mod in there. So let's close all that. Whoa, hang on, let's keep this one. Okay, so let's close a few things, and let's go to our Minecraft again. Now I'm going to close it down and open it up again, just to make sure that everything has been absorbed by the program and it's not confused. All right, now we're going to press play, and I'm going to say okay. I don't mind that I've got mods. We're going to be making sure that we use the Forge installation, very important. It's going to go ahead and do a little bit of downloading preparation from Microsoft just to get us the right version, and it should launch the Mojang screen in a second.